for Tool Review of the Week. Sponsored by Electricians Only Tool Review and Nipex Tradesman.
Alright, well, we have an awesome tool review for you. I did this review like a long time ago, but this is one of my favorite tapes out there. I usually like to use the 25 foot. You notice it has the magnet. I like that magnetic tip. Stanley Fatmax is the strongest proven magnet. We've done tug of wars with the Milwaukee's, and the Stanley always wins. But the thing I really like about this is it's like 25 foot's about perfect. Like 20 foot's just a little short. You can't really measure a lot. If you have that 25 footer, you could get a nice span. And if you have to do like 100, 150 or whatever, you could do them 25 footers. Works out pretty nice. I really do like the durability of the Stanley. There is one little weakness that has kind of come up in years past, that the magnet breaks off at times. Oh, welcome in, Ann. Good to see you, Ann. What's up? That's the one weakness that I've noticed. These are a really durable tape measure. Like I say, I drop mine probably 10 foot regularly, and it never broke. I actually still own my Stanley Fatmax. Like, they almost always either get stolen or lost before I break them. But I did a review on the Milwaukee version with the light in it, and that's my current one that I'm using. But like I say, if that Milwaukee one breaks, I'm gonna go back and get me a Stanley Fatmax magnetic 25 footer.
Yeah, all my tape measures I've always bought were Stanley. I think Stanley makes the best. I've always thought that.
Yeah,
Stanley makes a hell of a. I don't care about the other tools, but I damn sure like their tape measure.
Yeah, and the Milwaukee ones, absolutely, Daniel.
I can't comment on any Milwaukee tape measure. I've only used Stanley. I can just tell you, I've never used one.